Hello, Axie fam! So, ayan! Ito na yung hinihintay natin, yung daily bounty board. So, ano ba yung nakalagay dito, no? Ang sabi dito, many great Lunasian journeys began with a bounty. Earn points by completing noble deeds like offering prayers to Atia and emerging victorious in an Axie arena. Receive Axie Infinity Shards based on your accumulated points at the end of each week. So, ito ay weekly, mga ka-Axie. So, yan. Ano-ano ba yung mga daily bounties natin? No? So, earn points by completing daily bounties. Points can be accumulated through the week and rewards will be distributed based on your leaderboard placement by the end of the week. So, ano-ano yung mga pwede natin gawin? Open a pouch. Yan. Win one battle in Origins. So, yung pag-open daw ng pouch, meron tayong 30 points. Then, pag nanalo ka ng battle sa Origins, 35 points. Kapag nag-activate ka ng Atia, so you will receive 15 points. Pag nanalo ka ng isang game sa Classic, so meron kang 35 points. So sa nakikita nyo, no, meron na akong Atia and yung sa Classic. Pag nagawa mo na yung task, i-click mo lang yung verify para ma-check niya kung talaga nagawa mo na, and pag nagawa mo na, pupunta yun dito. So weekly total, so for my account at least meron tayong 50 points. Nasa top 60% daw tayo ng players. So, estimated earnings natin for now is 1.56 AXS. Bakit ko sinabing for now? Kasi, ang reward pool natin ay 10,000 AXS. Ang current participants natin ay 5,258. So, kung dadami po ito, mas liliit yung rewards natin. Siyempre, kasi maghahati-hati lang po tayo doon sa 10,000 AXS based doon sa magiging total mo, kung gaano kataas yung magiging points mo. So actually, kahit naman ilan, okay na kasi this is a reward. So nakakatawa, diba? You will be rewarded dun sa mga tasks or activities na ginagawa mo. This is a good step. So I'm excited for this activity, no? Itong bago nating daily bounty board. So, ayan. Thank you and see you on our next update. Bye-bye!